So here we are in the Google Sheet, and we've named a document and have all the columns named with the automatic names that are suggested. So now we're going to go ahead and start the Form Builder for Sheets add-on, and we're going to start that to import the questions to the form. So we're going to pick, we use the full sheet. It's sheet 1, which is the only sheet we have. We're going to choose the quiz. And then we're going to say the range includes the header, which will allow that automatic mapping to happen. So here the automatic mapping comes in, and it'll fill in all these columns for me. So because I have the right names, it picks up all the columns I'm using, even picks up that I'm using feedback in columns M and N. So again, the way this is going to look is it's very similar to the Google Doc we made, where it's has the first part is kind of a student information section followed by 4 questions. And so that's just laid out now in this format in the Google Sheet. So same way, we're going to require the answers. We have the answers put in, and then we have some feedback and points assigned. So all of that's being picked up by the Form Builder add-on. It's going to see all those questions. So we have 9, which kind of corresponds with the 9 different things we defined. We're going to pick all of them. So we're going to go ahead and create a form. We can call it new form is fine. We'll go ahead and make that form. And then once that form is made, we can import all the questions. And again, you could unselect questions if you didn't want to import them, but we're going to pick all of them. And now it's going through that import process, adding them to the form that we selected. So it's going to finish here. Okay, now it's done. We can open the form. Either place will open that new form. So same title we put. Again, we're going to have the first section with some student information, followed by a section 2, which is going to be the kind of those 4 questions we defined. If you check, it did pick up the answer of Sacramento. Long text. Here, it does pick up the answer. It gives it points, but I don't think it picked up the answers. So I'm going to fill in my 2 answers here. And then I think I'm done. So if we go ahead and preview the form, it's going to be kind of exactly what we expected with required fields. And then the second part is going to be those 4 questions that we put in there. And so that's kind of how you use Form Builder to import from a Google Sheet to a Google form.